Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool where you can do all your academic works effectively, starting from research paper search to writing a research paper and completing a research paper and drawing a picture in your research paper, or if any academic purposes you want, you can draw any pictures. So all in one AI tool is there to make your research paper writing and academic work simple. So let us go on to today's video and let us discuss what are the important options available in this AI tool and also how you can use this AI tool for your academic writing. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Answerthis. So this is one of the best AI tool which is having different kinds of options related for our academic purposes. So we will explore one by one. So this is the dashboard of this Answerthis AI. So before going to explore this, I am going to show you what are the important options available in this Answerthis. So first, it is best for researchers. So you will be having an option called literature review. So you can discover new papers for your research, and also you can use it as a search engine. So you can search papers. So it is having 285 million research papers in its databases. So you can it will act as a search engine and you can search your reference papers for your research paper writing. So next, it will provide a citation map. It will visualize citation networks and research connection, as like we have discussed in many of the videos like connected papers iris AI. So it will make a citation map also that will help you to bring the closely related reference papers for your research work. So this is the basic options available. So apart from this, you will be having chat with PDF. So you can upload your document and you can generate content using this option, chat with PDF. So next one is AI writer. So you can write new research papers with AI, and then you can extract data, get summaries from multiple PDFs. So you can upload multiple PDFs. For example, if you want to make an analysis, literature review analysis with your reference paper. So if you are having 5 odd reference paper, you can upload all the reference papers and you can extract the data from it. So next one is diagram generator. So it will create visual diagrams automatically by giving your input prompt and your ideas. So based upon this, so it will generate a diagram for you. So apart from this, you will be having tools AI essay writer. So you can write an essay, and then you can find a unique option called a research gap finder. So you can discover unexplored research opportunities using the advanced AI. So next one is AI paraphrasing tool. So this will be very helpful for you to reduce your plagiarism whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism. So you can use this AI paraphrasing tool to reduce your plagiarism. So next one is humanizer. So as AI plagiarism is increased nowadays, so if you want to convert that AI content into a humanized content, so you can use the option called AI. So you can just click on view all. So all the trending tools available. So empathy tool also will be there. So these are the important option available. So I am going back to the dashboard of this Answerthis. So hope you can get an idea what are the different options, especially related with academic and research paper writing, are available in this particular tool. So here in this dashboard, you will be having the options. You can see type auto. So you can just click on this, or you can use this literature review also. So whatever you want, you can do. So as we have not subscribed for this particular tool, so it will provide only light option. So if you want to go for pro plan, so you have to go for subscription option. So here you can see it will be given 10 free credits whenever you are logged in with your mail ID. So after logged in with your mail ID, you will be getting 10 credits. So after that, if you are interested in, so you can go for subscription option. So here another important option is that you will be having, it has to search in papers or internet. So I am selecting both the options, so search in paper and internet also. So like that, so you have to fix all this before giving any input prompts. And also you will be having an option called prompt helper. So you can select a tool. So these are the prompts related with academics. So these are the different prompt ideas where you can use the same prompt here. So with your topic, for example, I am going to use this, identify gaps in your research related to, type your search area. So I am going to give machine learning algorithms in cyber security. So and then just click on create. So after giving all this, so you can just click on send. So it will analyze that particular input what we have, the query we have given. So these are the 4 steps where you can see your process, that is your research process will be done: gathering sources, analyzing key themes. So after that, synthesizing information, compiling results. So this is how this 4 steps has been followed. So it will take some free credits for this and it will generate answer for you. So let us see how this Answerthis.io will generate answer for us. So here comes the content. So identifying gaps related to machine learning algorithms in cyber security. So first it will give introduction to machine learning in cyber security, overview of machine learning applications. So here it is properly cited with all the respective research papers, and also that papers will be displayed here. So all the recent papers, so here you can see that published in 2024, all the recent papers are cited here. So out of 33 papers, 3 will be viewed. So after that you have to go for upgrade option or subscription option. So automatically you can see that, so it will generate a perfect content for you, citing all the papers starting from 1 to 33 reference papers. So this is how you can automate your research paper writing using this particular tool. So here you can see limitations in training data quality and diversity, challenges in handling streamy and noisy data, gaps in dataset diversity for specific domains, and you can see model robustness and security limitation, vulnerabilities into adversarial poisoning attacks, next lack of robustness in dynamic and decentralized environments, deficiencies in legal and regulatory alignment, interpretability and explainability challenges. So all the detailed content related with this particular topic is generated with the respective research gaps, and also it will provide that future directions and research opportunities for particularly in this topic also. So this is how you can use this Answerthis.io to make your academic writing or academic work very simple. So but you can take this that is, see the references only if you go for subscription option. So these are the different options. So you can upload your paper and you can cite whatever you want, and you make an bibliometric analysis also. So this is how you can use this Answerthis.io to generate a perfect content for you. So this is one of the unique AI tool which is designed only for your academic purposes, especially research paper writing. So you can use this AI tool. So this is a unique tool which is designed for only for academic purpose and research paper writing. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on and explore this Answerthis.io with your free credits and make your research paper writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.